So this is unprecedented love for Vrindavan, to that extent. And then Gostalishu. Gostalishu means, like we say, Goshala. Shala means the house or place, and Gostalishu means the Brijvasis that live here. And then it says Gostalishu means the Brijvasis, and it says Sujane. Sujane means good people. Sujana means good people. Means the devotees, all the sadhus and all the people that are here doing bhajan and the yatris. They're good people. We respect them, we love them, we care for them, we help them. And then he says, Bu Suragane. Bu Suragane. So the Brijvasis, which means the Gwals and the Gwalis, or the Gopas and Gopis, and the Kumaras and the pot makers, and the farmers and the flower sellers, and the Baniyas and the merchants and the bankers, and all the Brijvasis of different varnas. We love them all. Then he says, Bu Suragane. Sura means Deva. Bu Sura means the Devas on the earth. Suragane, the group. This is a term to describe Brahmins. Brahmins are also called Bhudeva. They're the lord of the earth, Bhudeva. So he said, of course the Brahmins may also be Brijvasis. So, but he's mentioning all Brijvasis, Gostalishu, and then he's mentioning Sujane, means yatris and devotees coming from Russia, or,